Hi guys, welcome back to Lads Hub. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to attach a feeder to your line, and that is going to include a piece of lead, some hooks, bead, and obviously your method feeder and 2 swivels. So I've got a 10-pound line here, and I'm going to attach one side of the line to the swivel. For practically every single knot I use a blood knot, and that is because if you lick it down before you tighten it, it is often the easiest to do and is one of the most secure knots considering its simplicity. So with a blood knot, essentially what you do is you go around about 8 times over the line, you come back around with the original piece of line and you tuck it through the bottom loop, and then you get this bit here. Lick this together and tighten from both sides, just like this. That shouldn't be going anywhere, and I will be attaching this exact knot to everything that I use today. Now, before we tie anything else, what we are going to do is we are going to get this and attach it to the line. Before we do that, we need to get a bit of lead so that the feeder does not destroy the swivel when it's being put on the line and causing tension. This will put resistance between the weight and the swivel, making sure that your knots that you have tied are constantly secure, and this will allow for no damage or breakage on the line. Now you want to get your method feeder, which you're going to put onto the line. Take the swivel out of the method feeder and feed your line through to the other side. Once you've done this, now put a bead through this side of the line for the same reason you put a bit of lead on the other side to stop the resistance against the swivel. So just thread that through the bead, which will also help attract fish. This is a nice color. I think it's glow in the dark as well. So this could help attract fish or look like some kind of small boilie or some kind of pellet or bait. Now we'll repeat what we did at the start with the end of your line now. Put this through the swivel with a blood knot. So you just want to tighten that. Remember to use your saliva to tighten it. Now you should see that this will sit nicely on the bottom and will let the line run so the bait can present itself naturally. From here on out, all you need to do is attach your swivel to your main line. Then you attach your final and end side to another piece of line in which you'll put a size hook on. If you're fishing with boilies, this will work perfectly as well. Just attach the end of this line without the swivel to a pre-made boilie, but if you make your own boilies, then just attach it to the swivel. Thank you for watching. That is how you put a feeder on the line so that your bait looks naturally presentable and you can chum the waters up and basically use this for any type of fishing. I mean, this is specifically for carp, but you can saltwater fish with a sinker, which is exactly the same type of method, just without this bit in the middle, so you can put loads of bait inside for the fish to then smell, sense, and come up to your bait. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped any beginners or any people that had forgotten how to do this or are getting into the carp game. Please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.